you see this? What's our sweet spot from a marketing point of view? Paint a picture for us.
Yeah, the sweet spot is augmentation. So tools like ChatGPT in and of itself cannot automate customer service or anything like that, right? At the end of the day, it's just an AI tool with a sexy interface. And so essentially, what we need to think about is the application of this type of technology in a specific use case on a specifically trained model. So again, if we use auto repair, for example, that's something that I'm working on kind of behind the scenes right now, is a specifically trained natural language understanding model that understands the nuances of conversation around vehicle repairs and can actually have an effective and accurate conversation with a customer using AI and actually get to a solution, whether that's a booked appointment or a price quote for a customer or whatever that might be. And that's ultimately the most powerful use case is going to be those industry-specific applications of this tech.
I understand what you're saying. I see that happening. Aren't there tools that exist now? If I go to my dentist's website, the chat comes up and I type in, hey, I've got tooth pain. They say, so now we're having this conversation. Do these tools exist already in the automotive service arena? And if they do, what are their shortcomings?
Yeah, no, there's absolutely chatbots out there. But the chatbots that you're interfacing with, some shops even use them, right? They're oftentimes just logic-based, logic tree type of solution. So think about it kind of like if this, then that. If a customer says something with the word price, we're going to give them, a price sheet, or we're going to tell them that they need to come by the shop in person to get an estimate, right? And that's just kind of like a logic, like, if this, then that type of situation, where AI really changes the game, and there really aren't any solutions like this in general, but specifically definitely nothing in automotive that I'm aware of, is where AI is able to actually semantically dictate what exactly that customer is asking for on a very, very granular level. And there doesn't need to be any logic or kind of if this, then that type statements involved in that process for the AI to say, okay, I know what this person's saying, I know what they're asking for, and I have a relevant, accurate solution to the question that they might be asking.